Welcome! In front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first, just go here to the Google folder and open the Google application. Right there on the down right corner, tap the more icon and go into settings. Here you will see the voice, and right there you will see the voice match. Now you just can tap on the switcher once and say Hey Google, tap to the next, pick yes I agree, and now as can you see your Hey Google option is activated. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.